Hello, my name is Gregor von Laschewski and I will be telling you today about creating a project on FutureGrid. First, you have to visit the manual to get familiarized with the process for creation of the projects. That's really easy to do. You go to manual.futuregrid.org, you locate the section Create a Portal Account, and underneath you will find Create a Project. You start reading this, and it's really not that difficult to understand. We have the creation of a new project. You receive an email after the project has been created, and after the project is approved, you can add new members and you can report results for your project. All of this is documented as said in this particular manual, and it helps you to get familiarized. In addition, we have a sample project in this manual that you can use to as an example to see what needs to be done. What I typically do is I just put the example project in a text file, and that text file I will be using as a template for uploading this information into the portal. So download it, create the text file, and make sure that you put all the information in there. Now the next step is you need to be visiting the portal and press the Create Project button, and you will be seeing the project page. And now I just passed and copied from my text file into this project page. And this is advantages in case there's a power outage or you made some mistakes or you want to not duplicate effort, because you may have given this already some thought, because you were required maybe to give some information to other people, and you can simply paste and copy. So I have done this for you now, this pasting and copying process. I've accelerated this a little bit and have filled out this information. So like, for example, the title, some keywords that are useful to describe your project, the username, Albert in this case, the project lead, which may be actually different from the manager. Then some project members that I have known, but if you don't have any project members, you don't have to fill it out at this time. There's actually a much better mechanism that we will be going into later. Also that we have project alumni. Maybe members should no longer be active project members, but should be project alumni. You need to be specifying what kind of project orientation it is, what kind of discipline it belongs to. You can also choose a secondary discipline if you like. And then you can just paste and copy the abstract. And I have put an elaborate abstract into my sample project just to show you what we expect in such cases, or what we can do. And here you can see certain fields. I even included some notes about the availability of FutureGrid services, as to give students, because this is an educational project, the indication that we are not available on the weekend. We fill out the intellectual merit and the broader impact section. The broader impact is typically something that you will know about from your NSF proposals. But you can see what I have given there as an example, and you can look it up. Then we also need to be making sure that we are contributing something to FutureGrid, and we click on if we do some software. We also need to specify the resources, in our case India and Sierra as machines. Then what kind of abstract technologies we want to use, in our case a lot of virtual machines, but also high performance computing. We choose the base environments, Eucalyptus, OpenStack and HPC environments, and click on the services that we intend to use. And here we forgot to click on MPI as a service. Next, we can even put in some comments for the review process, and we fill in what our anticipated use of FutureGrid ought to be, and we say we have the use of Eucalyptus, OpenStack and HPC. And then as well, there's the scale of the use. We indicate how many students we have and what kind of work they will be conducting on FutureGrid. Results, we don't have any at this time, but we will have to report on them the latest 6 months after the project has been approved. We also want to make sure that other people can join our project. We have a join button that is very convenient to manage actually the members of the project. And at the end, we just press the submit button. Next, you can actually see that we have now created the project, and when we visit our portal page, we see that we not only have a portal account, but we have now a project affiliation. That's the project that we created. Earlier, we already submitted the SSH key. We are currently still waiting for our account to be created. Now let us visit the page again to see how we can join actually requests. That's very easy. We click on the join request button, which you find on your project page, and we just click on the users that we want to approve and simply say submit. And that's all there is to getting users in and into your project. You have to, however, give the users that you would like to have join your project the project page, and they have to in turn ask to join your project. Thank you very much for attending this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it.